Hey guys, so today's video is May's BoxyCharm. This month's theme is Make Waves. First is a moisturizer. This is from First Aid Beauty, and this is their Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. So this is oil-free infused with coconut water. It smells me light and nourishing. This will retail for $34. So let's bust right into it. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm gonna eat it. My skin's super dry right now. I really love the smell of this. What does this smell like? It smells so good. Anyway, it takes a moment to absorb into the skin, but once it's in there, oh, nice. My skin looks and feels nice and hydrated, nice and plump. It's not leaving any like sticky residue or like oily, hence oil free. So yeah, so far so good. Next thing I got is an eyelash curler. Kind of excited just because I was looking into getting a new one anyways. This is my first high-end eyelash curler, so how exciting. So here it is. I really love it. So pretty. So this is Pierre's eyelash curler. This is $18. It's kind of pricey. I usually buy dollar store eyelash curlers, but I'm gonna curl my lashes, see if this could work some magic. I really like some of the dollar store eyelash curlers though. I've been using those for years, but we're gonna do this one. I have pin straight lashes, so they just go straight down. But so far this is doing a really good job. I haven't curled my lashes in a while because I can't be bothered. I just stick with my straight lashes just because my lashes droop down anyways. Unless I get a really good mascara or a waterproof one, then yeah. So here's my lashes, and here's my pin straight lashes. I think a good job, but I don't really see much of a difference from a dollar store eyelash curler, to be honest. I know back in the day the e.l.f. one was good. It curls the lashes pretty nicely, so cool. So the next thing is from, I believe it's called Ciate. This is Ciate London. This is their Eye Lustre Cream eyeshadow. From what I've seen, this looks pretty fun. Metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow that can be swiped for full coverage of luster. Okay. So this will retail for $22. She looks a little purple that shifts to like gold. Nice. And this is the applicator. Flat with the products. I'm gonna quickly pop on some shadow and yeah. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this, see what happens. That is so pretty. Oh my god, the camera's not doing it justice, but it's so pretty in person. So I did another layer on the lid. It lost a lot of that beautiful initial intensity. It's still pretty, but a little disappointing. So I got this right here. It's from ORYZA. Don't know. But it's the Opaline Top Gloss. So this retails for $14.99. And it's supposed to be weightless and waterproof. Anything? Anything? Feels like you're putting like oil on your lip. Has like a little purple shift to it. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. Like, it looks pretty on camera, I think, but I feel like it's breaking down my lipstick. I don't know. All I did was just like add some shimmer, but my lip product itself doesn't look that great. It's not even shiny anymore. So I can live without it. Last but not least, again, I don't know why they keep sending me medium tan. Like, my profile says medium. I should go with light medium. I don't know. But regardless, they sent me this Alamar Colorete blush trio. This retails for $22. I'm assuming the other one would be light to medium. I don't know. Either way, this is blush. So I'm gonna just apply her. Here are the shades. So I'm gonna go in with some Isla, don't know, the center shade. I don't know how pigmented this is, so I'm gonna go for it. Oh yeah, pigmented. Okay, so you don't need much. Apply her. Very nice. You know what? I ain't mad at this shade. I'm going with a little bit of Toasted, see what happens. See if I can actually use this palette. It's blending out really nicely. So I'm actually going in with Seclusion just to tone that down. It's a little too much. So I ended up using all three of them. Oh my god. So yeah. I think I'm gonna go out with a little bit more bronzer just to balance this out, cause yeah. Oops. But she blends out really nicely. Alright, so this is this month's completed look. Not my favorite, just saying. So all in all, the value of this box came out to be $110.99, which is always amazing, to the fact that they sell these things for $21. If I had to go in and rate everything, it would first be this. I love this. It smells good. So moisturizing, which is fantastic. And then it would be the blush. This blush did work out. Blush is a little bit pow in your face, but it worked. It blended out nicely. Get 3 amazing shades. Can't go wrong with the blush palette, I feel. Size being too dark or whatever. Love this. Slightly disappointed. I mean, it's still pretty, but it's not as pretty as it was when you first put it on. And I actually put 2 layers on this guy. So, like, look, even my hand, it's not even as, like, in your face anymore. And once you start building it up too much, it starts flaking. So this one's kind of like, eh. Eyelash Curler, I like it, but my Asian lashes don't want to curl. So with mascara, it just brings it back down. So honestly, I mean, it's pretty. As far as high-end pricing goes, I feel like I would just stick to dollar store. You don't necessarily need this if you have the same problem as me. This, I don't know what this is. Not my favorite at all. All it did is like put, no. Yeah, no. Not my favorite. Cut. Bye. But that's it for this video. If you guys liked that video, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, bye.